Welcome back to Autocar USA, the channel where power meets precision, and the future of automotive engineering comes alive. Today, we bring you something extraordinary, something bold, something engineered to change the way the world sees speed. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Lamborghini 2026. Every few years, a car arrives that doesn't just join the industry, it redefines it. And in 2026, Lamborghini has done exactly that. The Lamborghini 2026 is not just a supercar, it is a vision of tomorrow. A masterpiece sculpted by engineers who dare to dream beyond limitations. A machine that pushes boundaries, breaks rules, and creates its own league. Let's begin with what captures your eyes instantly. The white exterior. This isn't just any white. It's a pure, crystal white finish that looks like the surface of a futuristic spacecraft. Under the bright American sun, the color glows with elegance and dominance at the same time. Every angle is razor sharp. Every curve is crafted with precision. Its LED headlights slice through the road like beams from a laser. Its wheels rotate like high-performance turbine blades. And its bold stance declares one message. This is the king of the road. On USA highways, the white Lamborghini 2026 doesn't just drive. It owns the landscape. Lamborghini has always been a symbol of unmatched power. But the 2026 model takes it to an entirely new level. Imagine a hybrid powertrain that delivers extraordinary horsepower with lightning-fast response. A system so advanced, it understands your driving style, adapts instantly, and launches forward like a jet on a runway. From 0 to 100, it happens in a heartbeat. Acceleration, explosive, cornering, razor precise, stability, flawless at extreme speeds. On the long, endless highways of the USA, when this machine unleashes its full potential, everything else fades away. The road becomes silent, the wind falls behind, and all that remains is the pure thrill of raw, unstoppable power. Don't forget like and subscribe. Now step inside. This is not just a car interior. This is a next generation cockpit. The Lamborghini 2026 welcomes you with a fully digital, ultra-responsive dashboard. Seats sculpted for racing, wrapped in premium materials. Interior lighting that gives off a futuristic glow. Touch controls that respond with flawless precision. This isn't driving. This is piloting a high-tech spacecraft designed for Earth's roads. The 2026 Lamborghini is packed with some of the most advanced automotive technology ever created. AI-assisted driving intelligence. Real-time performance monitoring. Adaptive suspension that reads the road. A powerful navigation system. And full digital connectivity. Whether you're cruising through American cities, speeding across desert highways, or carving through mountain roads, the Lamborghini 2026 adapts, learns, and delivers a driving experience beyond imagination. Now imagine this beast on real American roads. Picture it flying across California's golden desert highways. Gliding smoothly along the coastline of Miami. Owning the open, endless straight roads of Nevada. Or ruling the high-speed routes outside New York. Wherever it goes, one thing becomes clear. This car doesn't follow the road, it commands it. It's confident, powerful, intimidating, and breathtaking, all at once. If you love speed, if you love design, if you love the future, then the Lamborghini 2026 is the machine built for your dreams. It's not just a car. It's an experience, a feeling, a future on wheels. Thank you for watching Autocar USA. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because we bring you the most powerful machines and the most futuristic concepts from around the world. This is Autocar USA.